Admonition 11. It is incumbent upon a Padshah to give way to anger towards his slaves only so far as to retain the confidence of his friends. The fire of anger first burns him who has given cause for it, and afterwards the flame may or may not reach the foe. Just like people in their spiritual operations, it goes through you first. Don't just think, oh, I'm cursing this entity and trying to force it to do whatever, and it's going through you. And what does the entity maybe think of you for doing this, right? If you're these people who worship other than God. It is not proper for the sons of Adam, born of earth, to inflate their heads with pride, violence, and wind. Thou who displayest so much heat and obstinacy must be, I think, not of earth, but of fire. I visited a hermit in the country of Gulistan, and requested him to purge me of ignorance by instruction. He replied, be patient like earth, O lawyer, or else bury under the earth all thy learning. Now, if we look at the alchemical and, if everything connects with everything, we can say between the 7 are 21. But there's a path up the sky, well, the greater universe, and there's a path to, the earth. And this path to the earth is a type of technique. And the type of technique may be what a person calls an activity. It may be called earth. You could say it's similar to the Saturnal stuff, but it's not entirely.